Powering up, why teen nutrition matters. We all know that growing up means changes, new experiences, bigger dreams, and yes, even a rumbling stomach that just won't quit. That's your body working hard, building bones, muscles, and a brain ready to tackle anything. Good nutrition isn't just about fitting into those cool jeans. It's the secret sauce to unlocking your full potential. Think of your body like a high-performance sports car. You wouldn't fuel it with sugary drinks and greasy fast food, right? Instead, you choose premium fuel and regular maintenance to keep it running smoothly. That's exactly what a balanced diet does for you. It provides the vitamins, minerals, and energy you need to ace exams, dominate on the sports field, and have the energy to hang out with friends. It's time to ditch the junk and embrace real food that fuels your body and mind. Let's dive into how to make that happen. Building blocks: essential nutrients for growth spurts. You're not a kid anymore, but you're not quite an adult either. This exciting phase of rapid growth demands a steady supply of specific nutrients. Protein, the building block of muscles and tissues, is your best friend. Think lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and lentils. Calcium, vital for strong bones, is non-negotiable. Dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods are your go-to sources. Iron, crucial for healthy blood, is abundant in red meat, spinach, and fortified cereals. Don't forget about zinc, found in nuts, seeds, and whole grains, which supports growth and immunity. Remember, your body is working overtime, so fueling it with the right nutrients is key to supporting these amazing transformations. Brain food: fueling focus and mental wellness. Ever feel like your brain is fried after a long day of classes? That's where brain-boosting nutrients come in. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in oily fish like salmon and walnuts, are essential for brain development and function. They improve memory, focus, and even help combat stress. Complex carbohydrates, like those in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, provide a steady release of energy, preventing those dreaded sugar crashes. B vitamins, abundant in leafy greens, lean meats, and eggs, are crucial for cognitive function and mood regulation. Hydration is key. Water keeps your brain sharp and alert. So, ditch the sugary sodas and aim for 8 glasses of water a day. Remember, a healthy brain is a happy and productive brain. Section 4. Energy boosters. Powering through school and sports. Whether you're hitting the books or the gym, your body needs sustained energy to perform at its best. Complex carbohydrates, found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, are your best bet. They provide a slow and steady release of energy, keeping you fueled for longer. Lean proteins like chicken, fish, beans, and tofu help repair and rebuild muscles after a workout. Healthy fats, found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are essential for energy production and hormone balance. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and decreased performance, so keep a water bottle handy throughout the day. Remember, the right fuel equals optimal energy and performance. Section 5. Ditch the junk: healthy swaps and smart snacking. We get it, junk food is tempting. But those sugary drinks, processed snacks, and greasy fast food are loaded with empty calories and unhealthy fats that sabotage your health goals. The good news is, healthy swaps and smart snacking are easier than you think. Swap out sugary sodas for water with a squeeze of lemon or lime. Instead of chips, reach for a handful of nuts or veggie sticks with hummus. Trade those candy bars for a piece of fruit or a small yogurt. Planning ahead is key. Pack your own snacks and meals to avoid unhealthy temptations. Remember, small changes make a big difference. Section 6. Your winning meal plan: tips, tricks, and easy recipes. Eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Here are some tips and tricks to make healthy eating a breeze, even with a busy schedule. Start your day right with a balanced breakfast like oatmeal with berries and nuts or scrambled eggs with whole wheat toast and avocado. Pack your lunch to avoid unhealthy choices. Think whole wheat wraps with grilled chicken or hummus and veggies, or a salad with quinoa and grilled tofu. For dinner, get creative with stir fries, baked chicken with roasted vegetables, or lentil soup. Don't forget about portion control. Use smaller plates and bowls, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eating well is a journey, not a race. Start small, make gradual changes, and celebrate your progress.